Axie limitlessness in a real sense shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an all things considered, significant way. The cost of Axie limitlessness certainly has fallen by 7.56% in the past 24 hours in a huge way. As far as Axie's support floor, it explicitly is presently $10.21, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie in a real sense has its really next opposition at $11.87 in a for the most part significant manner. 23 January 2024, in this video we will essentially walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness fundamentally is Axie's a fundamentally wise interest in a significant manner. Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so on, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, basically let us really discuss the truly current economic situations, which truly is very critical. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,525,941,013,570 in an unpretentious manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume especially remains at $72,835,133,742, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense shows that the cost of Axie boundlessness explicitly has fallen by 7.56% in the past 24 hours in a very huge manner. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value lessening of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Solely in every way that really matters, local coin of Solana basically is somewhere near 4.89 and as of now exchanging at $81.66. Moreover, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem in a kind of large way. These occasions fundamentally show that the market basically is going in a sort of descending course for kind of present moment, which sort of is genuinely critical. Right now, an exceptionally broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time span in every practical sense, significant way. Axie vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that moreover, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem in a by and large significant way. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers essentially become commonly more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, fundamentally further appearance. How 23 January 2024. In this video, we will walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now and in every way that really matters. Attempt to answer these much of the time sort of sought clarification on some things, facts, what certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness truly is Axie's a genuinely wise interest in an exceptionally significant manner. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants basically become moved genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in a significant manner. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Axie limitlessness, Axie's Axie vastness execution, the sort of day-to-day outline of Axie endlessness in every practical sense, shows that the Axie's cost by and large has a sort of descending development with a 7.56% decline in especially beyond 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. The value worth of the Axie endlessness, Axie's coin most certainly is remaining at $6.81, With market capitalization $925,699,937 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. Axie's cost changes 17.89% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $68,471,964 United States dollars, which truly shows that the sort of local coin of Solana by and large is somewhere near 4.89 and as of now exchanging at $81.66, which essentially is genuinely huge. Axie Limitlessness Value Examination Axie's cost investigation for 23 January 2024, inside an everyday time span, fundamentally made sense of beneath, so which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, which for the most part is very huge. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Axie limitlessness. Exhibiting how yet prior to plunging especially profound into the Axie's specialized examination, essentially let us in a real sense discuss the kind of current economic situations in an especially enormous manner. The Axie boundlessness especially has fundamentally break all its in a real sense upholds levels, and things for the most part are not looking essentially great for the crypto market, which in every way that really matters shows that market examination over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570, kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, especially bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively essentially take Axie's cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21, showing that Axie's fundamentally has its genuinely next obstruction at $11.87, or so they especially thought. The MACD line sort of is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, so similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which merchants sort of become move genuinely dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they by and large thought. Axie vastness financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, which by and large shows that the MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, so similarly. Obstruction generally is a level at which dealers most certainly become move extremely dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which all things considered is genuinely critical. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and generally is attempting to essentially break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is very critical.